Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuned in to Click React. If you guys are already here, let's just get this business out of the way. Hit that subscribe button right now. We drop videos every day, so you can turn on post notifications too. We're just gonna get right into it, man. Today we're reacting to the most awkward and cringe-worthy auditions from the X Factor. I don't know if you guys watch these videos, but I'm on YouTube all the time just searching them up because they're so funny. So we're just gonna get right into that, guys. Don't forget to drop a like and help me get this video out there. Comment and let me know which one of these moments is the funniest one to you, because I'm sure there's gonna be a few. And we're just gonna go right into it. As I said, man, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Magic Mike. Alright, he's definitely gonna be dancing. Like, let's not overthink it here.
Hello.
Oh, he has a mic, so I guess,
What's
maybe
your
just
name?
introduce himself, because obviously you have to do. Oh no, but you could get the headset mic strapped up.
My name's Scott Wilkes, 22 years old, and I live
yeah,
in
love him.
Birmingham.
Who the fuck is that?
He is fun. Do you know that's
I
one
knew
of
that's
my
what they were
favorite
gonna say.
accents? I love a Brummy accent.
Is it?
I do. Who do you admire? Whose career do you look at and think, this is me, this is who I want to be in 10 years?
There's quite a few. There's like the likes of Elvis Presley.
Wow.
There's the likes of Robbie Williams.
Yeah, okay.
For me, I love the swing stuff.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I want to hear your swing music.
Let's do swing.
Let's do some swing.
You want to hear some swing?
Yeah, let's swing, Scott.
Yeah?
I want to swing with
Okay.
you, Scott.
Let's go.
That is not many buttons done up on his shirt.
Okay. So how are we feeling so far? We feeling good? Down here, we feeling good? I might come down there. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, me and Mrs. Jones. You like that? We got a thing going on. Now we both know that it's wrong.
Something doesn't sound right. Some doesn't. It's not. Yeah.
But it's much too strong to let it go now.
Yo, honestly, the crowd is doing him a look at it. The girls thought he was fine before. Now,
Mrs. Jones, Mrs. Jones. Ladies and gents, I got a quick question for all of you this evening. Give me a cheer
Sing
if you
the
want me to
song.
take my shirt off. Are you sure?
you fucked up. You fucked up, brother. You fucked up. It's so embarrassing.
Yeah? Like this. Cheer louder.
Yo. Yeah, honestly, this is so crazy because I feel embarrassed like it's happening to me watching him. Like, that's so bad, bro. What were you thinking?
It's stuck.
He's the shy one of the family.
Yeah,
want a
very
shirt.
shy. I said, the man said, cheer if you want me to take off my shirt. You heard crickets, and you still proceeded to take off your shirt. You should have been like, just kidding.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Been amazing. Thank you.
Man, this is awkward as fuck. Yikes. Yikes.
Hello, Governor.
Okay.
Governor.
And you are
Connected with a K.
and your family, yeah?
Yes,
You're the mother.
I am Mom.
What are you going to sing?
Waterfalls by TLC. Take
What?
it away.
I don't think you should be allowed to do this to your children. Simply because the internet is a hell of a thing and they have to go to school. I mean, you're gonna go to work and you don't get bullied at work like you get bullied in high school or middle school. She should not have done this to the children.
Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
Do you
One of them sound like they can sing, no? I think one of them sound like they can sing, but the rest, the The harmony ain't harmonizing, you know?
First at home.
Yes.
Do you live near an airport?
Nah, you ain't gotta be mean like that to the kid, man.
You can't have ever heard yourself sing.
I think that
Nah, he don't gotta do that to the kids.
if it's something that you guys really want to do, then you should do it.
Without your mum.
Hi, how are you?
How are
He was
you?
not playing
Can
no
you hear
games.
me?
I can hear you, darling. What's your name?
Melanie Wright.
Okay, she's creepy. Melanie, right? No. Stop. Oh, you look scared.
Give Melanie
Deer in
right.
headlights type of thing, man. Like, no.
Hola, Melanie.
Hi.
Hola.
Oh, Melanie, you and Pow Pow like gloves.
Yes. I love your gloves.
I love you, Mama.
You got your fingertips showing. I like that.
Blue like your dress.
I should look uncomfortable as she said that.
Melanie, where are you from?
I'm from Crofton, Maryland.
Okay. And how old are you, darling?
Bro, she hasn't blinked. Like, have you guys realized that? She has not blinked. Look at her.
I'm 48. Will be 49 next week.
Great. You look.
Maybe they cut it when she was about to blink because she has still not blinked.
What do you do for a living? Do you work?
I've been a paralegal for about 28
Oh,
years.
she just
Okay.
blinked. Well, okay.
And why,
A little
Melanie,
creepy.
now have you decided to enter a show like this?
Well, because I've been waiting for that opportunity. I've been preparing for years since I was about 3 or 4 years old.
So
fair
46
enough.
years, effectively.
Yes. For
I mean, no time like the present, man. Whenever if you have your dreams, always chase them before anything happens in life where you can't even do it. So I salute her.
a moment like this.
Okay, Melanie, and what are you going to sing, babe?
A
I was going to
moment
sing
like
Titanium
this.
by David Guetta.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Titanium.
Alright,
Do I know
thank
that? Titanium. I was thinking about Lithium by like Evanescence or whatever. Oh, it's this song.
You shouted loud, but I can't.
You know what it is, man? She's been a paralegal for a long time, and she probably hasn't had enough practice. And, she didn't warm up. Her vocals aren't warm. You get me? That's what it is. It's gonna get better.
Hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, reckon.
Yo. Whoa. She even changed the song. Because she's that bad at singing, she even changed the song. Why does it sound like she's on a certain level and it's a max, like the speaker is maxed out? Like, back in the day when you get your phone and the speakers weren't as good, so they didn't play the songs loud. Like, that's how her voice sounds. But yeah, like she's trying to and it's still the same. That's a talent. Yo, man, honestly, I really I love people like this that aren't fucking afraid to do whatever the fuck they want, because we would never get these good laughs in our life if people didn't, if they weren't that confident. That voice sure sounds like titanium. Piercing. Yo, why is Kelly's face like that? Yo, let's... Oh, fuck. Yeah, she's a cat lady. You can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's a cat lady.
Speechless, Simon.
As always.
Speak, Simon. Speak. Speak, boy.
She blew you away.
Melanie, why did you choose that song?
I like it.
Good question.
Do you know what? It was
That's a good answer. Obviously, it's short because you like it. What a stupid question.
like finding out Cinderella works at the Playboy Mansion,
I don't follow that one.
right? You're not what you seem. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Not really. But that shit was funny as hell. And I'm glad she came on the show.